Introducing our 63 Switch Mech Insert. So this is an insert that goes into your Milwaukee Packout low slimline half width, and it pretty much holds 63 switch mech and some dimmers in here as well as some extra screws. The reason I created this product was because too many times you have your little tub with all your switch mech and you don't know what's what. They all get scratched and stuffed up so you can't use it. And then this way they're all laid out. You can see all your labeled switch mechs easily and identify what you do and don't have. That way you're not wasting time either going to the wholesaler to get more because you didn't know you didn't have any, or two, one's scratched and you can't use it, you've got to throw it out. So we've also got a free Switch Mech label that sits on the front of your Packout, and we have these red dots of 5mm dots. So the reason we have these dots is you get 63 of these as well. Not all mechs are the same height. Some are larger, like the Hob mechs or Clipsal iconic mech, and they sit all the way up to the plastic lid. So this way, just put them under the ones that are shorter and it's going to stop it from moving up and down. So you don't have to use them if you're using, Clipsal iconic or data mechs, but you do have the option to pick and choose what you need. This is the insert when it's empty. Slots into your Packout like that, and then you can fill it up with whatever mechs you need. And here's it fully loaded up. As you can see here, I've got all my labeled switch mechs, and I've got some Clipsal iconic here, got some data mechs, got some dimmers in this long area and some screws in case I need them.